مامۆستا.
Good day, Mimosta. We called you because we want you to show Roj the thing you showed us last time.
I'm sorry, I don't follow.
She's talking about funny, the leafy thing that people of Earth get things with it. Raja doesn't believe that you actually can get stuff with the paper leafy thing. I mean, funny.
This is called money.
Is this guy their god on here?
People of Earth have all kinds of gods, but those people of money are rulers.
How does this thing work?
Well, it's paper, the same thing that grows from trees. Yet if you have money on Earth, it can make people do things for you. It can take you places, feed you, fight for you. I couldn't believe my eyes, the thing that people did for money.
Can you actually buy people with things that can grow on a tree?
These all look the same. How did they share them on Earth?
Well, it's easy. One for you, one for me. Two for you, two for me. Three for you, three for me.
Did you bring anything else from the Earth this time?
People of Earth call this television. They plug this to walls, and small people start to move inside it. This box has a lot of visions to tell. Most of them are centered around telling people how to do, and what to favor. While it makes people see death and destruction, it tells people to love and care for each other. They see visions of starved people, rivers of blood, floods of fires. Yet people stuff their faces with food and eat and eat. Television knows their path and have them hostage in the present moment and predetermine their future. People were sleepwalking and watching television when a sickness came. Television kept people inside, and they keep seeing visions. Television went on with visions.
And then what happened?
And then
And then what happened?
And then
I know what happened. Children of Earth opened their eyes and saw the toxic visions of Magic Box. And from that day on, little people didn't tell visions anymore. Just like us in the Kingdom of Kurdistan, kids on Earth held hands, closed their eyes, and saw within. They heard Mother Earth and all other creatures' pain. Compassion, love, and peace washed away all pain and distorted images, and all hummed in harmony, with joy, happily ever after, forever, like we do in the Kingdom of Kurdistan.